Making of Sindh's handicraft Chundri, traditional tie and dye Dupatta. Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Today, we're taking you on a journey into the heart of Sindh to explore one of its most iconic handicrafts, Chundri. This is more than just fabric. It's a symbol of tradition, culture, and centuries-old craftsmanship. Let's dive into the beautiful art of Chundri making. History and significance. Chundri, also known as tie and dye, has been an essential part of Sindhi culture for generations. It's worn during festivals, weddings, and special occasions, especially by women as colorful dupattas or saris. Each pattern and color holds meaning, and behind every piece there's a story of heritage, patience, and skill. Materials used. To create a chundri, the materials are simple, but the process is an art. Plain cotton or silk fabric, fabric dyes, natural or synthetic, salt and water, strong thread or rubber bands, gloves, buckets, and lots of creativity. Let's see how it all comes together. Step-by-step process. Step 1. Folding the fabric. The fabric is folded in different styles, like circles, pleats, or squares, depending on the design. Step 2. Tying with thread. Tightly tied thread is used to create resistance. Wherever the thread is tied, the dye won't reach, forming beautiful patterns. Step 3. Preparing the dye. Natural or synthetic colors are mixed with water and salt. The salt helps the color bond better with the fabric. Step 4. Dyeing the fabric. The folded and tied cloth is dipped into different dyes. The longer you dip, the deeper the color. Step 5. Drying and unwrapping. Once dried under the sun, the threads are removed, revealing magical patterns unique to each chundri. Final product. And here it is. The final product. Bright, bold, and completely handmade. Each chundri is one of a kind, made with hours of effort and love. It's not just a piece of fabric, it's wearable art and a proud symbol of Sindhi heritage. If you enjoyed this cultural journey into the art of chundri, please like this video, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Comment below. Have you ever worn a chundri? Would you like to try making one yourself? We'll see you again with another craft, another story. Allah Hafiz.